So what's going on YouTube? Welcome back for another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to do a wall panel. So I'm gonna use some molding, so you're gonna see the finish, guys. Look beautiful. I was doing my dining room this time, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show you some tip and trick about how to do that fast and easy. Let's see that finish. Alright guys, first thing you have to do is divide your walls with a tape. That's the first thing. And then you take that measurement and then you're gonna replace that tape by the molding. For me, I'm using a 5/8 by 2.5 inches colonial MDF molding. Those are the one I'm using. After doing that, you're gonna make sure that it's level, it's pretty nice and clean, and it's gonna turn out like this. And then you again gonna take the measurement, because you need a plan how you gonna make your panel look like, what shape you're gonna give it, and all that. It's important to retake again the measurement, because you need the length and the depth of your wall, ultimately half one we're gonna do, to see how your plan is gonna turn out. So I'm gonna draw my plan for my wall, and you're gonna see at the end how it's gonna look like. You can do your own. This is mine.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only.
So here's my first piece. Is I take the measurement, 25 inches, and then I take a chair. I use my kids' chair just to, to level that. So now I just need to push it against the chair and then cut. So those are the tricks. It's a really good technique I use, and it could make me go fast. And then you cut your 45 angle and you're good to go.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us.
And then I'm using my 7 inches block. Again, I don't need to take the measurement. I use that block, to keep on going, help me going fast. No need to use my, measurement tape anymore. Just the block I use, put it between those two, take the level, and then I'm good to go.
I just need to clear my head. I just need
was it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're new on this platform, I will suggest you to click on the subscribe button, because every Saturday I'm gonna post a video for you. You're gonna learn a lot of stuff about home renovation. Let me know what you think in the comment below. Don't forget to like again, and I will see you guys in the next comment video. Alright, see you, peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.